Let's talk about aircraft insurance and what I call the $1 million pitfall. The most common policy that we see on aircraft accidents is $100,000 per seat, $1 million total claim. What that means in a real life scenario is, let's say an airplane crashes and the person in the front right seat passes away. Well, the insurance company is going to try and pay the family of that person $100,000, not $1 million. So when people think that they have $1 million policy, you might only have $100,000.